Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you enjoy this week's What's for Dinner. Tonight we're having a simple supper. I had some thin cut pork chops in the freezer, so I seasoned them and did them in the air fryer. I fixed a little salad. I sauteed some zucchini with onions, and I fixed some little mini Yukon Gold potatoes the same way I did them a couple weeks ago, like a smashed potato with butter, sour cream, chives, and bacon bits. I'm gonna cut my pork chop in half. Tim's salad has tomato, mine has cucumber, just the way we both like it. So that's what's for dinner tonight. I had some half and half I needed to use, so I pulled out a recipe I had not made in about 6 months. We do have a video on this. These are some scones. I'm trying to work out some of the stiffness in my hand and use it a little more, so Tim reaped the benefits. To use more of the half and half, I got online and searched and got a new recipe that I wanted to try. This was a big winner for us. It's a German pancake or Dutch baby, and I will leave a link to the recipe that I used below. Tonight we're having a Dutch baby or an oven pancake, German pancake, whatever you want to call it. I've got some fruit cut up. I'll show you my plate in a minute. I also made those blueberry scones for Tim and some bacon and eggs. And that's what's for dinner tonight. Tonight is another simple meal that I do often when we want Mexican. I put some salsa chicken in the crock pot, which is just chicken breasts with some Mexican seasoning, some taco seasoning, and some salsa, and cook it and shred it. Tim will put his in tortillas when he gets in. I've made a chicken taco salad with rice and beans. That's what's for dinner tonight. For dessert tonight is one of the mini Little Caesars fundraising kits that we still have in the freezer. This one is cinnamon crazy bites. Is anyone in this house excited about these?
I'm crazy about them.
Someone's excited. That's dessert tonight.
This is the crazy bites. Oh, they look so good. And we have some icing that's gonna go on top. Stacy said we have to wait 30 minutes for them to cool. I don't know if I can wait.
Tonight we're having a red, white, and blue or a spinach strawberry salad. We're going to have a bed of spinach. I cooked some bacon. I toasted some sliced almonds. I made up a poppy seed vinaigrette, which is a little heavy on the seeds. I followed a recipe. I'll leave a link to it on all recipes. I did cut it in half. It was a little heavy on the oil, so I added a little extra white wine vinegar to give it a little more punch. The red is the strawberries, the blue is the blueberries, the white is feta, and I'm also going to add some red onion and mushrooms. I will show you my plate. This will be plenty for me. Tim is not going to be thrilled when he gets in from the golf course, so I told him I could make chicken salad or that I had pimento cheese from Sam's, and he said he'd be fine with a pimento cheese sandwich. So I'll show you my plate. Tonight we're having strawberry spinach salad or red, white, and blue. So we're trying for the first time the Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange Chicken. I made some edamame fried rice of my own just with brown rice. I would have put carrots and stuff in it, but instead I sauteed, glazed some sugar snap peas and carrots, and I did some egg rolls in the air fryer. Have you tasted the chicken?
I did. It was delicious.
It's good? Is it worth going to Trader Joe's again?
I don't know. That's a long drive.
It is a long way. Mandarin orange chicken, fried rice, egg rolls, and sugar snap peas and carrots is what's for dinner tonight. Dessert tonight, the last two, Tim just grabbed his and ran. Little mini hold the cones from Trader Joe's. I consider it a colossal success that these little, how many's in here? 8 cones lasted more than 3 days in this house. It took us a couple weeks to go through them, and they are delicious, and if I ever get near Trader Joe's again, I will definitely buy them. They're so good.
So this is what they taste like.
Oh, that's not even funny. You've had them before. That's just mean. Next time, they're all mine. Tim has been hungry for barbecue lately, so we went to his favorite place on the planet, which is Dickey's Barbecue Pit. He got a brisket sandwich plate with sides. I got a loaded potato with brisket on top. What you don't see is the free ice cream that we had after we ate. He really enjoyed it. That's going to wrap up another week of What's for Dinner. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook Y'all. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and truly blessed day, y'all. See you in the next video.